More than 60% of Taiwan's population has received at least one dose of a COVID vaccine, according to the CECC. Taiwan is currently on track to hit 70% single-dose coverage by the end of the month and is expected to reach 60% full-dose coverage by the end of the year. The 11th round of vaccinations kicked off on Friday with 3 different brands of vaccine rolling out nationwide. Among them is the Pfizer vaccine, which is available for adults aged 44 and up.
Staff guide people through the lines to enter the vaccination site. Then it's time to fill in the form and show the relevant documents. Taiwan's 11th vaccination round kicked off on Friday. On the same day, the CECC announced that more than 14 million people had received at least one dose of a COVID vaccine, bringing single-dose coverage plus 60% and second-dose coverage to over 20%. Taiwan is on track to reach 70% first-dose coverage and 30% second-dose coverage by the end of the month.
We
hope to reach second-dose coverage of more than 60% by the end of the year.
Eligibility for Pfizer shots was expanded 3 times in 1 week ahead of the 11th round of vaccinations. Observers questioned whether the adjustments had been prompted by inventory-related problems.
Every vaccination round, about 80% of eligible people make an appointment. Medical centers at the county and city level already have a certain amount of vaccines in stock, so we want to avoid empty slots. That's why we expanded eligibility. This way, people can register and get inoculated sooner.
Moving forward, the 12th round of vaccinations will administer 3 different brands of imported COVID vaccines. In Taipei, the city has made arrangements for second shots of Moderna to be administered at local clinics. Pfizer will be administered at hospitals, and AstraZeneca will be administered at the vaccination site at the Taipei Expo Dome. Additional evening vaccine clinics will be scheduled for working adults.
Because for the vaccination round starting on the 22nd, there are many young working adults. They'll be able to get their shots at an evening clinic, if they so prefer. It may be more convenient for them. Right now, we recommend that clinics only offer one kind of vaccine to prevent any errors. If it's a large vaccination site, of course they can have more options, but they need to make sure that they have solid arrangements for getting people where they should be.
In Taipei, adults aged 65 and up can schedule their second shots of Moderna over the weekend on the city's online vaccine appointment system. They will also be able to make an appointment by phone on October 18th and 19th by calling up the local district offices. The shots can be scheduled for as early as October 22nd.